आरम्भं कुर्मः। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये, ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। नमः सर्वेभ्यः. Welcome to one and all for today's chanting session. Let's start with the shloka number 34.
बी राधा भगिनी बी राधा भगिनी बी राधा भगिनी चैत्रा मद्रास भगिनी चैत्रा मद्रास
Shanta. Yes sir unmute பண்ணிட்டேன் sir.
अकीर्तिं चाप अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि. First para अकीर्तिं, to remove the makara, next letter is cha, so fifth letter of cha varga is cha cha jha janya. So akirting chapi bhutani. Akirting, a hrisva, ki dirgha, ra ha ti dirgha, that is has gone and it has become chapi, cha dirgha, pi hrisva, bhutani, bhu maha prana as well as dirgha, ta dirgha, ni hrisva. Coming to the second pada, kathayishyanti te vyayam. Katha is ka is hrisva, tha mahaprana hrisva, yi hrisva, sha half, ya hrisva, and then zero is there, na it is thi hrisva, te is dirgha, then you can drag little because there is an s mark. Vyayam, kindly mute yourself beginning. Vyayam, va is half, ya hrisva, ya dirgha, ma half. Coming to the second line, third pada, sambhavitasya chakirtihi. Sambhavitasya chakirtihi. Sam is makara only, but it is sam, that is hrisva, bha dirgha and mahaprana, vi hrisva, ta hrisva, sa half and ya hrisva, chakirtihi. Please add 2 dots after chakirti. Immediately ma is there, chakirtihi, cha dirgha, ki dirgha, ra half, ti, and then 2 dots, chakirtihi, because you cannot recite all the whole sentence in every place for the entire 18 chapters. You will be tired, so we are asking you to do that. So that according to Anushtup Chanda, which I have divided into 4 padas. Maranadatirichyate. Marana, ma hrisva, ra hrisva, na dirgha, dati, both are hrisva, chi, ri is also hrisva, cha half, ya hrisva, te dirgha. Maranadatirichyate. Let us start beginning. Akirting chapi bhutani.
Akirtin chapi bhutani.
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 Ni no, nanano, ni
bhutani.
Kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Kathayishyanti
Devyayam.
Devyayam.
Once more.
Ati first line no?
Kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Kathayishyanti devyam. Devyayam.
Sambhavitasya chakirtihi.
Sambhavitasya chakirtihi. Sambhavitasya chakirtihi.
कीर्ति गी नो कीर्तिः हि हा
कीर्तिः
मरणादतिरिच्यते
मरणाकतिरिच्यते मरणाकतिरिच्यते
you should not break मरणादतिरिच्यते
मरणागतिरिच्यते
गति नो मरणादति द न
मरणा मैडम once more
मरणादति
मरणादतिरिच्यते
once more
मरणादतिरिच्यते
you are stopping, don't stop, you are pronouncing it properly Bhagini, but only thing is you are breaking maranadati richyate. Don't do that. Your pronunciation is good, but you are breaking, don't break it, that's all. Uttama.
Okay ma'am, okay, practice. Okay.
पद्मप्रिया भगिनी
Namaste Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
Is it Padma Priya Bhagini?
Yes, yes, sir.
Akirting chapi bhutani.
Agitina chabhigutani.
Akirting.
Okay. Agitin chabhigutani.
Whatever I
Agitin
say,
okay.
whatever I say, you repeat 2 times, then I will compile it.
Okay.
Akirting.
Agitin, akirtin,
Kirtim no, kirting.
kirting.
Akirting.
Akirting,
Chapi.
chapi, chapi,
Bhutani.
bhutani, bhutani.
Akirting chapi bhutani.
Agirting chabi bhutani. Agirting chabi bhutani.
Akirding, no, ding is not there. Ding is not there. Ting. Tha. First tha. Kathayishyanti.
Kadishyanti, kadishyanti,
Kathayishyanti.
kadayishyanti, kadayishyanti.
Te vyayam.
Tevyayam, tevyayam.
Kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Kadayishyanti,
Katha is
tevyayam.
not there, Bhagini. Katha.
Okay. Gadayishyanti,
Gata no.
devyayam.
Gata means past. Gata. Katha.
Kata.
Kathayishyanti.
Kadayishyanti, devyayam. Kadayishyanti.
Tevyayam.
Tevyayam, tevyayam. Practice padikadu.
Sambhavitasya.
Sambhavitasya
Cha kirtihi. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi. Maranadatirichyate.
Tati. Okay, ma'am. Marana tati richyate.
Uttama Bhagini, what you do is kaka gaganga cha cha jajanya, that you practice, then all these things will come, because you know the letters. Only thing you have to know is, I know in the Tamil script you don't have the second, third, like that and all. So if you take that one, is, and then till there Hindi one you take, and then you practice, you will get it.
Okay, thank you.
Nagalakshmi B Bhagini. Nagalakshmi B Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam. Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Don't make bhutani. Ni is not dirgha. Ni is inside. See the ni inside. So it is Hrisva. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Uttamam Bhagini, uttamam.
Padmini Bhagini.
Namaste.
Akirting chapi bhutani कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम्
अकीर्तिञ्चाभिभूतानि
slowly you go. अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम्
अकीर्तिञ्चाभिभूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति देव्ययाम्.
Instead of tha tha tha, you are saying devyayam, but in Sanskrit, if you turn this one, meaning itself will go wrong. Akirting, ting, akirting chapi bhutani. That's all. Bhutani is not there. Bhutani.
Okay. Akirtinchapi bhutani kadayishyam.
Don't drag the bhutani. Ni is not dirgha. See that the kombu is inside the na.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Akirtinchapi bhutani kadayishyanti devyayam.
Third, it is wrong. Kathayishyanti devyayam. Devyayam no. Devyayam katha. Please wait. I will call you back. It's a waste of time. Wait. I will help you because you have to learn. That's what just now I told. You take the alphabets. Ka kha gha ga nga. Cha 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 nya. Ta ta da da na. Ta ta da da na. That's if you papa ba ba ma. If you learn that one, these things are very easy for you. All of you, all the devotees, I sincerely request, because for us it was there from the beginning. For the Tamil people, I think they have the different lyrics. Please note that and take that one. Kavarga, chavarga, tavarga, tavarga, pavarga. If you learn it, you will come. So we will see. Sri Devi Bhagini. Wait, I will call you Bhagini. Sri Devi Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Yeah. Katha akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Uttamam.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam.
Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
Thank you.
Sri Devi Suryanarayana Bhagini, just now we have called her.
Sri
Bhagini.
Devi.
No, the other one, previous. Okay.
Idu. Sri Devi Suryanarayana Bhagini.
Namaste.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Akirting chapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Uttamam Bhagini. Only once. Srinitya Ganesh Bhagini, full shloka.
अकीर्तिञ्चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम् सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
In this shloka, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, you see, people will laugh and speak of you as a coward and a deserter if you leave the war and go. For a respectable person, infamous is worse than death. Instead of running, from this war, death is better, is what Lord Krishna says. One more thing I want to say. Yesterday, all of you participated in one-to-one session. Very nice of you all. I saw Srinitya Ganesh, I saw Kirtana, I saw so many devotees. But in the beginning, you have to say, Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atha Gita Dhyanam. Many of you, I saw Kirtana particularly, you started Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Gita Dhyanam. So these are also forgot to correct. I have explained them also. So please practice that. Otherwise, what they will think is Uma Madam has not taught that, but she taught in the beginning of this. So Kirtana, once again you tell me now. Kirtana.
What? Yes, Mahoday.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
The starting of Dhyana
Om
Shloka.
Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Gita Dhyanam.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Bhagavad Gita.
Sanskrit में you should not use many times. Once you say Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atha Gita Dhyanam.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Mahoday. Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Gita Dhyanam.
No two Oms, no two Atas, only once, Bhagini. See, Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atha Gita Dhyanam.
Okay, Bhagini. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Gita Dhyanam.
Nitya Ganesh, you try.
Yes, Mahoday. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Gita Dhyanam.
Okay, now Gita Dhyanam. When the chapter 1 comes, you should say Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atha Prathamodhyayaha. But if you are telling Parayanam continuously, Gita Dhyana, this once if you say in the beginning, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, it is okay. But if you are telling individually, for every chapter you must say. You understood all of you? Thank you very much. We'll go to the next sloka.
Shloka number 35.
Purnima Prakash Bhagini. Purnima Prakash Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Bhagini, yesterday you said from 5 days we have not called you
Yeah,
because for
yeah,
2 days
thanks.
the madam has kept you in the waiting room and you always keep yourself PP. So we will not come to know who is that. So
Okay.
now today
Okay,
you
no
have
problem.
put it, okay? So for it is for all the others also, they should change their name so that we will come to get the attendance also. So now coming to the class, Bhayadrana Duparatam. Bhaya, first pada, Bhayadrana, put a comma. Bhayadrana Duparatam. Bha, Mahaprana. Ya, Dirga. The and Dra together, Dra. That is Samyukta Akshara. Na, Dirga. Kindly mute yourself, Bhagini. Na, Dirga. Duparatam. Du. That is also Hrisva. Pa, Hrisva. Ra, Hrisva. Tam. It's the end of the pada. We have to keep it as Makara only. Bhayadrana Duparatam. So if you want, you can put a comma after Bhayadrana and Duparatam together. Mamsyante, coming to the second pada, Mamsyante. Mam, Hrisva, Sya, Saha, Ya, Hrisva. Again, Syante, Na, Nakara. And then Te, Hrisva. Tvam, Ta is half. Vam, Va is Dirga. Everything is Makara. Maharathaha. Ma, Hrisva. Ha, Dirga. Ra, Hrisva. Tha, Ma. It is also Dirga. And at the same time, Mahaprana. And end of the pada or end of the sentence, if you come across with the 2 dots or Visarga, we have to pronounce that. Coming to the second line, third pada, Esham Chatvam Bahumataha. Chatvam together. Esham. To remove the Makara, next letter is Cha. So fifth letter of Cha Varga is Cha Cha Jajanya. So Eshang Chatvam Bahumataha. Ye Dirga. Sha, Shanmuka Sha, Dirga, Shang, Cha, Hrisva, Tvam, the half, Vam, Tvam, Bahumataha. All letters are Hrisva. Kindly add 2 dots after Bahumataha. That is Yesham Chatvam Bahumataha. Coming to the last one, Bhutva Yasyasi Laghavam. Bhutva, Bhu Mahaprana Dirga, Tva Tahaf, Va Dirga, Yasyasi, Ya Dirga, Sahaf, Yas Hrisva, Si Hrisva, La is again Dirga, Gha, second Gha. That is Mahaprana, Ka, Kha, Gha, Gha. Gha is Mahaprana. And Hrisva, Va, Hrisva, Ma, last Ma is Halant Ma or half Ma. Let us start beginning. Bhayadranadu paratam.
Bhayadranadu paratam. Bhayadranadu paratam.
Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Mansyante tvam maharathaha. Mansyante tvam maharathaha.
Yeshang chatvam bahumataha.
Yeshang chatvam bahumataha. Yeshang chatvam bahumataha.
Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Uttamam bagini, uttamam.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Preeti Anand Bagini.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Bhayadranadu paratam.
Bhayadranadruparatam.
Dhru is not there. Dhuparatam. Bhayadranaduparatam.
Bhayadranaduparatam.
Once more.
Bhayadranaduparatam.
Uttamam. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Mamsyante tvam maharathaha. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Uttamam. Yeshang chatvam bahumataha.
Yeshan jatvam bahumataha. Yeshan jatvam bahumataha.
Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Bhutva yasyasi lakhavam. Bhutva yasyasi lakhavam.
Uttamam bagini, uttamam.
Jayalakshmi KG Bagini.
Namaste, ma.
Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha. Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Yeshang chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Yeshang chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Yeshang chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Uttama bagini.
Ananta Lakshmi Bagini.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharathaha.
Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharataha. Bhayadranadu paratam. Mamsyante tvam maharataha.
You have to, you are pronouncing very nicely. Only the Mahapranas you have to notice. Bhaya, like that. Thaha. That's Yeshang chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Yesham chatvam
Yesham no.
bahumataha.
Yesham no. Yeshang. Cha-cha-ja-janya. That's one.
Okay. Yesham chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Yesham chatvam bahumataha. Bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Uttamam bagini, uttamam. Very nice.
Vani Arvind Bagini. Vani Arvind Bagini.
Namaste, ma.
Bhayadranadu paratam. मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
भयाद्रणादुपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
उत्तमं भगिनी उत्तमं
सरस्वती गुरुराज भगिनी
फुल् श्लोका भगिनी
भयाद्रणात् उपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
उत्तमं भगिनी उत्तमं वेरी नाइस
In this shloka, Lord continues to say, Arjuna, think well. Those great warriors from whom you received honor formerly would think that you ran away from the battle out of fear, and you will lose all the respect hereafter from your own people who have thought that you are a very honorable person and very great warrior. They will think that you are a coward and you ran away. You will get a bad name. That's what Lord Krishna says.
Let's move on to the next one, shloka number 36.
B. Radha Bhagini. B. Radha Bhagini. Vidya Yam Bhagini.
Morning, Sagar.
अवाच्य वादांश्च बहून् बहून् अवाच्य अ ह्रस्व वा दीर्घ च half and य ह्रस्व वादांश्च वादांश्च also is correct, vadanshcha is also correct, vadhav both are dirgha, and then shankara half and cha vadanshcha all correct. Bahun ba hrasva hu dirgha and na is half halantana. Coming to the second pada, vadishyanti tavahitaha vadi both are hrasva and shanmukha half ya hrasva and ti, that is you all know vadishyanti na, that's wherever you will get that one amka matra, that is na. Vadishyanti we always pronounce when vadishyanti, ti is hrasva. Tavahitaha, ta and he are the only two letters which are hrasva. Va and ta are dirgha, and if in the end if the two dots or visarga comes, you have to pronounce it. Tavahitaha. Nindantastava samarthyam. Nindantastava. Again I repeat, nindantas, till there one tava. Nindantas, all are hrasva. Nindantas, sa is the only letter which is half, the rest are all hrasva. Nindantastava samarthyam. Sa dirgha. Ma hrasva. Ra half. Thyam that is ya is, that is tha and ya together. So thyam it is mahaprana hrasva. Tato dukkataram nukim. Tato is the first ta is hrasva, second ta dirgha. Dukkha, in between dukkha and the two dots are there. So ka, whenever ka comes after the visarga, you have to pronounce half a dukkha. Taram is there to remove the makara. Next letter is na, so we have to add na. Dukkha tarannukim. So all are hrasva except the ma. Let us start beginning. Avachya vadamscha bahun.
Avaptyavadamscha bahun. Avatyavadamscha bahun.
Uttamam beginning. Vadishyanti tavahitaha.
Vadishyanti tavahitaha. Vadishyanti tavahitaha.
Nindantastava samartyam.
Nintantastava samartyam. Nintantastava samartyam.
No, samartyam. Samarthyam. Tha. Second tha.
Samartyam.
ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम् ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
उत्तमं भगिनि उत्तमम्
उमा जी भगिनी
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून्
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून्
वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम् निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
थ्यम् इस् महाप्राण निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
उत्तमम् ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम् ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
उत्तमं भगिनि उत्तमम्
कल्याणी राजन भगिनी
नमस्ते महोदय।
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
वदिष्यन्ति वदिष्यन्ति we are reciting so beautifully वदिष्यन्ति
तवाहिताः
उत्तमं भगिनि निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
don't split the tato dukkha and tarannu tato dukkatarannu kim
ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम् निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
उत्तमं भगिनि उत्तमं
शांता भगिनी
yes
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः
उत्तमं भगिनि निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखकतरन्नु किम् निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
उत्तमं भगिनि उत्तमं
थैंक यू
पद्मावती भगिनि अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्
उत्तमं भगिनि
अजन नारायण महोदय
महोदय
श्लोक महोदय
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं Tado dukkatarannu kim.
Uttama Mahodaya, but Vadamshcha, Vadamshcha. That is, you take the Shankarasha and Cha. Then Samarthyam, Thyam, not Dhyam. Okay, don't use. Otherwise, very nice, beautifully you have done. Just, take that Ka Varga, Cha Varga, that Vyanjanas, you just practice 2-3 times, you will get it.
In this shloka, Lord continues to say that, Arjuna, your enemies will laugh and humiliate you with bad words. They will start shouting on you, they will start teasing on you, and will shame you. And what could be more painful than that? You will feel very painful in that condition. So you should not feel like this. That's what?
We'll do the revision.
Revision. Rupa Kulakarni Bhagini.
Mahodaya.
You want me to recite or you will recite by yourself?
Shall I try, Bhagini?
Yeah. You are most welcome.
Okay. अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम् सम्भावितस्य चाकीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam, very nice. Shloka number 35.
Saraswati Ramakrishnan Bhagini.
Mahodaya. Bhayadranaduparatam mamsyante tvam maharathaah yeshanchatvam bahumatah bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
Kavita Vishwesh Bhagini. Kavita Vishwesh Bhagini.
Yes, Mahodaya.
36, shloka number.
अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Now I'm going to the 37th shloka. I will help you to, as the time is going on, I will help how much is possible. Then we will continue tomorrow. Now, Hato va prapsyasi swargam. Hato va prapsyasi. Prapsyasi. Hato, ha is rasva. To, dirga, va, dirga. Pra, pa and ra together. So, pra, that is samyuktaksara dirga. Prap. You should say prap. Pa is half. Sa. Risva. Again, that is also half. Ya. Risva. Si. Prap. Syasi. Prap. Syasi. Swargam. That is makara only. Swargam. Then coming to the second pada. Jitva va bhokshase mahim. Jitva. Ji. Risva. The half. Va. Dirga. Again, one more va. Jitva va. Jitva va. Va again. Another va. Bhokshase mahim. Bho. Mahaprana. And dirga. Ksha. You know that half ka and ksha and ya together. Bhokshyase. Bhokshyase. Se is dirga. Mahim. Ma hrisva. He dirga. And ma. Last ma is half. Bhokshyase. Bhokshyase. Coming to the second line. Tasmad. Make it yourself. Tasmad. Half the. Tasmad uttishta. Tasmad duttishta is there. We make it as Tasmad uttishta. Tasmad. Ta. Rasva. Sa. Half. Ma. Dirga. The. Half. Vu. You all know that vu is aswara. Thi. Thi is, there are 2 thas. Thi. So stress it little. And Shanmukasha and tha down. So it's a Mahaprana. Uttishta. Tasmadhuttishta. Tasmadhuttishta. If you want, you can break it. Otherwise, you can say together also. Tasmadhuttishta kaunteya. Kau. Hrisva te. That na is there in between. Te dirga ya hrisva. Coming to the last pada. युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. युद्धाय, you Hrisva, dha Mahaprana, and then second the dha, that is ya. Ya is Hrisva again. Kruta Nishchayaha. Kru Hrisva, ta Hrisva, ni Hrisva, Shankara sha, and followed by cha. Shankara half sha and cha. Yaha. Ya is Hrisva, and in the end, if the two dots comes, you have to pronounce. Let us the chant this.
Kirtana Bhagini. Kirtana Bhagini. Kirtana Bhagini. Kavita Vishwesh Bhagini.
हाँ महोदय.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्.
उत्तम भगिनी. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय.
तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय. तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय.
युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
उत्तम भगिनी, उत्तम.
Kirtana Bhagini. Bhavani Surya Bhagini.
हरि ओम माता.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्.
उत्तम भगिनी. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्. तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय.
तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय. तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय.
युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
उत्तमं भगिनी.
Devasena Bhagini. Devasena Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
हतो
हतो
वा
वा
one second. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
हतो वा
प्राप्स्यसि.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्.
प्राप्स्य sa and ya together.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
No, two times.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
You should not break anything. Jitva va bhoksyase mahim.
जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्.
No. Yase, bhoksha, yase is wrong, no? Bhokshyase. Ta, ya together. Anyway, tomorrow I will complete all these things. Again, I will take. Let me revise the shloka, the 35, right? No, 34. Akirting chapi bhutani कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्यया सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते भयाद्रणादुपरतम् मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम् अवाच्य वादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम् ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम् हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः समापयामः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः। पुनर्मिलामः। राम राम राम।
धन्यवादः।